Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Well, Bitcoin is still moving here in this what should I say, in this corrective pattern. It's pretty much a range at the moment, yeah? And the rally is in three waves, so I cannot yet take a clearly bullish pathway. It would require a break above the signal level at 63,095 to indicate that at least we're moving up in a larger B wave or wave 2. Until we break above that level, this here could simply be a wave 4, like a corrective rally in wave 4, which could lead to a wave 5 to the downside as per our yellow scenario, or an extended wave A here in white, because A waves can be 5 wave moves or 3 wave moves. I just want to highlight that we are in the resistance area. The market moved from support into resistance. We've been watching for this move up in wave 4. And it could be that, just a simple flat correction, and WXY. Okay, it's not that simple then. It's a complex flat correction. That's at least something I see as likely. And the market moved into the resistance area. There's a cluster of different Fibonacci extensions there. And the rally is only in 3 waves. So we have a WXY, which means wave W is a 3-wave move. The X wave is a 3-wave move, and the Y wave. And while we might get another high in wave C of Y, I think this pattern is pretty much getting close to completion. But only if it's a wave 4. So it might give us one more high, but I think if it shows a lot of buying volume up here around 62.9k, 63k, then it will likely break through, which would be our signal that some kind of a substantial low has formed. I would then first track a more extended ABC structure. A, B, C. So this would be the alternative scenario that I would observe if we break above 63,095. For now, all I can say to you is that the trend is up from the Thursday low. So locally, the trend is up. And I need a break below the previous swing low to indicate that we've indeed topped. And I'm still primarily watching for another low. But I have to say that above 63,095, we might have already put a low in place. So for me, it's one more low, or maybe the low is already in place. That blue B wave already allows for a low to be in place. Quick reminder that this is really just a shorter time frame, right? I talked in the previous video about the daily chart, which is more relevant really. And on the daily chart, what really matters for the bullish scenario is that we're holding this support area. So a dip into support and a reaction to it is what we want to see. Anywhere really here, the market can react and start a C wave rally to the upside. Only below 55,480, a more bearish interpretation will be confirmed. But on the micro level, we can obviously get an understanding, okay, have we already bottomed, or do we likely get another test of support? Do we go a little bit lower? That's only noise really. I mean, what really matters is sort of here on this time frame. Okay, is it the bearish count, short-term bearish, which might take us into the mid 40k region, or do we turn around here? And anywhere here, the price can really turn around. I mean, on this time frame, I'm not really interested in, okay, where exactly is it going to be? Do we go a little lower, or it's this area between 55,480 and 60,840. And if we get a reaction here, the market has followed the Fibonacci support levels, yeah. But on the micro level, what I'm saying is that this immediate move down might get another low, but the resistance area is clearly defined. So a break above resistance means that, okay, that will shift it towards, okay, is a really substantial low already in? Or is it just a larger ABC that's unfolding here, which is the next question we can deal with. It's too early for that now. We can deal with that question when we break above resistance. For now, the only question is, okay, do we get another low or not? And if we break out, then it's between, okay, is this a larger corrective structure, or is the low already in? So at the moment, as long as we stay below resistance, I'm simply watching here now the resistance area for clues that we've topped already. But as I said in the last video, we probably don't see much action on the weekend. This is just sideways consolidation. We've seen a reaction to the 38.2 retracement. That's typically an ideal target for an internal fourth wave. So yeah, it might have topped there, but the pullback was in 3 waves, so it's not clearly bearish. And I need to see a break below 60,820, that Friday low, to suggest that really a top has formed. For now, I think it could easily give us one more high. If it's doing that, then 62,850 to 63,100 are the next upside targets. That's the update about Bitcoin. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Also, on this weekend, I'm going to publish the next MCO newsletter. If you're interested in additional content, stuff that I don't normally cover anywhere else, it's only in the newsletter, then you can register for it completely for free. The link is in the description. The newsletter link will take you to our website, and then you can register. Thanks a lot. Have a great weekend. Bye-bye.